you.
Look, are you filming this?
Yeah. He just jumped onto you.
Come back over here.
Simon, how are you going to get him off?
Oh, yeah, I don't know.
Is he biting you?
No, he's licking the salt off my skin.
He reached onto you with his tail, eh? Simon, you have a monkey on your arm. He's going to take your hat.
I know, eh?
He's already on your hat. Simon, he's combing through your hair.
Is he combing my hair?
He's combing through your hair.
Boy, this is crazy.
You have a monkey on your head.
Oh, he's licking my head. I can feel his tongue.